Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you some highlights of my very first build, a PVC toy gun that I've been working on. This isn't your typical toy gun. It uses butane gas and launches an MP marble as the projectile. Before we go on, I want to emphasize that this project is purely for fun and educational purposes. If you're attempting something similar, always make sure to follow all safety guidelines and local laws in your area. Here it is, my homemade PVC toy gun. The design is pretty straightforward, using PVC pipes, connectors, and a few other materials you can easily find at your local hardware store. The unique features of this build is that it uses butane gas to propel an MP marble. I started by cutting the PVC pipes to the desired lengths and assembling the main body of the gun. I made sure all the connections were airtight, especially in the chamber where the butane gas would be stored. The trigger mechanism I used was a stove lighter, which is a bit tricky, but after a few adjustments, I got it working perfectly. Okay, alright, let's load up our toy with an MP marble, pressurize it with a bit of butane gas, and see how it performs. Remember, this is just for fun.
Sige. Ayun.
And there you have it, my very first PVC toy gun build. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe even got inspired to try your own projects. If you do, please be safe and responsible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future builds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.